Hey guys, this is Robert and here's the package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Here we have is collapsible water bottle. It's good for travel, sports, daily use. It holds up to 52 ounces. There's some information. Large capacity, safe material, space saver, easy to carry, convenient to drink. Motivational words. Lifetime warranty, food grade, safe material, non-toxic, reusable, and roll. Let's open it up. Pretty big water bottle. So we have a straw here. And here's the water bottle. It's on the difference. It's or just push it out. So that's how big it'll be. Let's fill it up. It does have like the times you should refill and whatnot on one side. Other side we have measurements. And we have cap here. Twist it out. Okay. So you can either have straw in or out. You can just push it in, just like that. This goes in like that. Or it comes out too. Like that. And as you see, this is how much it stores. It's now unfolded and has a rubber handle here. Or silicone maybe. Silicone handle. And yeah. Holds 52 ounces. And you can roll it up and stow it away when you're not using it. Okay. If you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.